Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this kind of presentation and slides videos that are very popular on YouTube that usually focus on different statistics or data, and it's displayed just like that. It's a video that I have done recently, and some of you have asked me to do a tutorial on how to do that, and I think it's pretty easy, so we're going to show that. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not going to show you how to do it fancy pretty. I think that you are better than me in that, so you can choose your colors or whatever you want after. And also I'm going to show you how to create inside PowerPoint music and also save it as a video format so you can upload it directly to YouTube without any complications. Okay, so let's start. I'll create a new blank presentation, and in that I'm going to add first of all a shape and a rectangle. I'm going to make sure that it is more or less 3 times, like 3 of them fit a full slide, so we can check that easily with just quick check. Doesn't matter if it exceeds the slide, you're just going to use it like that, okay? And then what we're going to do is, now that we have checked that it fits well, we're going to insert whatever you want. Here I'm going to go with the thematic of the World Cup again. I'm just going to quickly add the text and so on. So we're going to go like, maybe we want to add some images for that. Maybe I'm going to go with the cap logo and a flag. So we're going to add the flag here, logo here. You can just play with that and it looks pretty fancy. Then we're going to go with the country name on the bottom of that. Brazil then. We're going to change or to copy that 3 more times until we fit a full slide. Maybe here we could maybe do that better. Okay, and again, and then you just need to just zoom out, select 3 of them, and do it again, and then you can select 6, and so on and so forth until you have the number you want of them. Okay, so once you have that, you obviously can just come here and just play with the numbers to do that, and also you can change the images while here, change picture and select that which you want, and the names and so on. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to make the animation. So you just have to select all of your slides, then go to animations, scroll down until you find custom path, and then click on this circle here, and then you need to go all the way to this third. So 1, 2, 3, 4, because I have 3 different chunks in the first slide. You have to go to the third. If you have 5, 4, go to the fifth, or sixth, if you have 4, go to the fifth. Okay, so you want to go to the fourth one. So there's 3 slices here. Double click here, and voila, we have the transition. Okay, so now it's too fast, so we're going to change that. We're going to go to animation pane. Here we're going to right click, and then timing. We're going to go with 30 seconds. You have to input here the amount of time you want your video to last. Okay, so 30 seconds good for me, and then for the timing smooth entrance, I'm going to go with just little bit, just 0.5 seconds more or less. Okay, and then if you can watch that, we have this transition here when it starts slowly moving and it shows this data in this quick, I think, fancy manner. Okay, so then what we're going to do is add the music as I told you before. So we're going to insert and then go to audio, my PC, and I'm going to select music I have here, and we're going to say play across all slides and then hide during show so that you can see this icon while presenting. Okay, but finally you have to go to animations, animation playing, and selecting the music you want to say start with previous. With that, you automatically have music playing when the presentation starts. So finally you want to record that, and save it as a video file. So you're going to go to recordings, export to video. Then here you can play with the resolution. I recommend 1080 or 4K for YouTube, and you just create the video. And then you select where you want to save it. And as you can see here in the bottom part, it will be creating the video. It will take maybe a couple of seconds, like no more than a minute. Maybe if you go for 4K, it will take longer. But after that, you will have your video ready to be uploaded to YouTube. So I hope you guys find this video easy to follow and if it's helpful for you. So comment me if you have some doubts. I will respond to all of them. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.